You know the exact feeling. You finally lie down, promise yourself you'll go to sleep early, but decide to check just one more video. Suddenly, it's 3 a.m. You wake up 6 hours later with burning eyes, a foggy brain, and you tell yourself, I will sleep early tonight. But tomorrow never comes. Yet somehow, we all know that one high performer, that entrepreneur, athlete, or colleague who sleeps just 5 or 6 hours and wakes up looking like they just conquered the world. How are they doing it? Welcome back to Dr. Eazylife. Today, we are decoding the science of sleep efficiency. I'm going to show you how to sleep less but wake up feeling sharper, fresher, and more fully charged than you ever have before. We aren't destroying your sleep, we are hacking it. Let's dive in. Here is the first biological truth you need to understand. Waking up refreshed is not about how long you sleep, it's about how efficiently your brain moves through its sleep cycles. Every 90 minutes, your brain cycles through different stages of sleep. Deep sleep is for body recovery, repairing muscles and recharging your immune system. REM sleep is for brain recovery, locking in memories, focus, and creativity. If your sleep is fragmented by blue light, stress, or caffeine, you could stay in bed for 9 hours and still wake up feeling dead. Our goal is not more time in bed, it's more deep and REM sleep per hour. Here is the 5-step Dr. Eazylife protocol to make it happen. Step 1. The 90-minute rule. Because your sleep cycles last 90 minutes, waking up in the middle of one leaves you feeling completely groggy. Waking up right at the end of one makes you feel instantly alert. Stop setting random alarms. Plan your sleep in 90-minute blocks, 4.5 hours, 6 hours, or 7.5 hours. Set your alarm for the end of a cycle, not a random hour. Step 2. The circadian anchor. Your brain craves rhythm. If you sleep and wake at the exact same time every day, yes, even on weekends, your body learns to release melatonin exactly when you need it. Stanford studies prove that irregular sleep schedules dilute your deep sleep. Pick a schedule, anchor it, and stick to it. Step 3. The 3-2-1 shutdown. This is the elite habit most people skip. You cannot sprint at 100 miles per hour and expect to instantly stop. You need a transition. 3 hours before bed, stop eating heavy meals so your body isn't digesting when it should be resting. 2 hours before bed, cut off all work and high-stress activities. 1 hour before bed, kill the screens, no blue light. Replace it with dim, warm lighting, light stretching, or doing a mental brain dump in a journal. Shifting your brain from beta waves, active, to alpha waves, relaxed, is the secret to falling asleep fast. Step 4. The Batcave environment. Make your room as dark, cold, and quiet as a cave. Science shows the optimal sleep temperature is between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius. Drop the temperature, use blackout curtains, and consider a magnesium supplement, like magnesium glycinate, to naturally calm your nervous system. Step 5. The morning trigger. When your alarm goes off, do not hit snooze. Hit action. The moment you wake up, get outside and expose your eyes to 10 minutes of natural sunlight. This instantly suppresses your sleep hormones and spikes your serotonin. Follow it up with cold water to the face or 20 push-ups. This spikes dopamine and clears sleep inertia in less than 3 minutes. Listen to me carefully. Sleep is not a weakness. It is the ultimate performance tool. You don't get a medal for bragging about surviving on 3 hours of garbage sleep. True success isn't about who can stay awake the longest. It's about who wakes up the most clear, calm, and violently focused. You cannot pour from an empty cup, and you cannot create from an exhausted brain. Stop wasting your nights and ruining your mornings. Train your body to rest deeply so you can wake up with absolute power. You don't need more time in the day, you just need better energy. If this video helped you rethink your routine, smash that like button right now. Share it with that one friend who's always tired, and make sure you subscribe to Dr. Eazylife for more science-backed strategies to optimize your body and mind. Until next time, sleep smarter, train harder,
and live easy.